Want to grow your money in crypto? I'll show you how to structure a balanced crypto portfolio that works for beginners and pros alike. 2026 is shaping up to be a big year for crypto, but the question is, how do you structure your portfolio to maximize growth and manage risk? Today I'll show you a step-by-step guide. A crypto portfolio is like a basket of investments. You diversify to manage risks. Bitcoin and Ethereum should be your core. Large cap altcoins are a good growth potential. Small caps could be a high risk, but also a high reward opportunity. Balance depends on your risk tolerance and goals. Here's a simple 2026 portfolio. 50% Bitcoin and Ethereum, 30% large cap altcoins, 15% small cap tokens, and 5% experimental DeFi or meme coins. Adjust percentages based on your risk tolerance and investment horizon. Use tools like CoinStats, Blockfolio, or Delta to track your portfolio. Rebalance every 3 to 6 months based on market performance. Keep track of your profits, losses, and staking rewards to optimize gains. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose in the worst case. Use hardware wallet for long-term holdings, and always enable 2FA on exchanges. Diversify across change and avoid putting everything into a single DeFi platform. Also consider these tactics: dollar cost averaging, also known as DCA. Invest small amounts regularly, staking or lending for passive income. Keeping a watch list for potential 2026 breakout tokens. This ensures growth while minimizing risk exposure. Building a crypto portfolio isn't about chasing the next meme coin. It's about balance, strategy, and most important, patience. Comment your 2026 strategy below. I'm gonna read every comment and try to help you as best as possible if you have any questions. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly crypto guides. Till then, see you in the next video.